In this video, I will show you how you can use a VPN on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Safari web browser. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now after you open this website, now from here just scroll down. Under Apply Search Filters, just disable all these options except L2TP/IPsec. Just select this option and disable all the other options. After you do that, then just tap on Refresh Server List. And after you refresh this list, then just scroll down. And on this page, just select the server which has the least ping. For example, I will select this server. Now just tap and hold on the server address and select the server address. Now just tap on copy and copy the server address. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General. And under the General Settings, just tap on VPN and Device Management. Now just tap on VPN and select Add VPN Configuration. Now in front of Type, just tap on this text and select L2TP. Then go back and in the description section, just give a name to your VPN. Now you can enter any name in this section. For example, you can even enter your own name. After that, in the server section, just paste the server address which we have copied earlier. After that, in the account section, just type VPN in small letters. After you type VPN in small letters in the account section, now just go to the password section and type VPN in small letters. Then tap on Secret, and in the secret section, just type VPN in small letters. After you've done that, now just tap on Done to save. And as you can see, this is the VPN network which we have created. Now just enable this toggle to connect the VPN network to our iPad. And as you can see, we have successfully connected this VPN network to our iPad. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.